Hello everyone, my name is Vân. I'm 9 years old. Today I will talk about my daily routines. Every morning I get up at 6 o'clock. After I get up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, comb my hair. Then I have breakfast at 6:15. After that, I get dressed. Next, I go to school at 7 o'clock. I have lunch at school at 12 o'clock. And I have dinner at 7 o'clock. Then I do my homework. Finally, I go to bed at 9:30. What about you? Tell me your daily routines. Thank you for listening.